What if I told you that you could turn a single image into a fully animated viral video for free in just seconds? Today, I'm showing you 11 AI video hacks using Pixverse AI, the free image-to-video generator that's changing how we create content forever. Hi, I'm Hassan, and if you love discovering next-level AI tools before they go viral, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Pixverse AI just dropped their v4.0 update, and it's a total glow-up. We're talking sound effects, AI voiceovers, transitions, anime magic, the whole package. And the best part, you can try all of this for free. Stay till the end because tip number 11 turns one still image into a fantasy movie trailer, and it takes zero editing. Need ambient sound but don't want to dig through royalty-free libraries? Just type something like a spaceship engine roaring at the time of takeoff. Pixverse generates it for you in seconds. Instant atmosphere, no audio software needed. Upload a silent video of crashing waves, someone walking, or even pouring coffee, and Pixverse will auto-sync custom sound effects that match the visuals. It's like having an invisible sound designer who never sleeps. Want total control? Browse dozens of voices. From deep narrators to quirky teens, pick the one that fits your story, click generate, and done. Record yourself saying something like, "I am the guardian of the void." Then pick a voice, maybe a wise wizard or a villain who's had way too much espresso. And yes, you can finally turn your Monday morning voice into Morgan Freeman's. Take a video and give it a glow up using prompts like cyberpunk anime with neon particles, Lego style with oil paint, and VHS glitch. Pixverse fuses your footage with crazy cool art styles, perfect for music videos, trailers, or just flexing your imagination. Upload a forest image as your starting frame, then a glowing city skyline as the ending frame. Add this prompt, fly through the forest to a glowing city sunrise. Pixverse stitches them together like a mini movie. Upload a selfie or photo and choose from effects, like hug your future self, anime transformation gender swap turn into a Lego character, grow anime hair. There's even one where Santa gives you a gift. Spoiler, it's socks. It's always socks. Most AI tools take minutes to render. Pixverse, you'll get clips in as little as 5 seconds. No joke. Perfect for fast-paced creators or impatient night owls. Upload an image of your character, name it, and Pixverse saves it for future videos. You're basically casting your own AI actor, without the drama or coffee budget. Want a dolly zoom, 360 spin, or crane shot? Select the movement you want, and Pixverse does the work while you sit back with snacks. Who needs a camera crew when you've got prompts? Upload a fantasy castle drawing. Pan up from a shadowy forest to a glowing, floating castle in the sky. Lightning crackles, hyperreal Studio Ghibli style. Pixverse turns that one image into a full cinematic sequence. And yep, you didn't pay a single dollar. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Hit like if you learned something new, and don't forget to grab my free Pixverse prompt pack, the link's in the description. AI tools like Pixverse are giving creators superpowers. You don't need fancy gear or a team, just your ideas and the right prompts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.